Instructions, part 9. So you mix in the egg, and that's how you move along with it. The grand high which went on, and one after the other, you also mix in the following items. The claw of a cruncher, the beak of a blubber snitch, the snout of a grobble swit, and the tongue of a cat springer. I trust you are not having any trouble finding those. None at all, they cried out. We will spare the bebble snitch and the trap the crab cruncher and shoot the grobble scare and catch the cat springer in his burrow. Excellent, said the grand high witch. When you have mixed everything together in the mixer, you will have a most marvelous looking green liquid. Put one drop, just one titchy droplet of this liquid into a chocolate or a sweet, and at 9 o'clock the next morning the child who ate it will turn into a mouse in 26 seconds. Understanding the text, answer these questions to learn more about the witches. Reading for details. Number 1, who is speaking at the beginning of the passage? Number 2, who is the audience? Number 3, what is the name of the recipe? Number 4, what is the expected outcome of this recipe? Number 5, give 2 titles, the other witches, called the Grand High Witch. Number 6, how will the children be given the mixture? Number 7, how much of the mixture will reach each child? Number 8, write out entire recipe of Formula 86 delayed action mouse maker. Reading for meaning. Number 9, what is another way of saying fish out? Number 10, a telescope has 2 ends. Which is the wrong end of the telescope? Line number 13. Number 11, how would things look if you looked at them through the wrong end of a telescope? Number 12, what does the phrase a stroke of genius mean? Line number 35. Number 13, why is the alarm clock important in this recipe? Number 14, complete the following sentences to show cause and effect. The witches were very respectful and the Grand High Witch because the audience didn't want to forget the recipe, so they blah 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 blah. When the children eat the mixture, they will blah 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 blah. Reading for ideas. Number 15. In this passage, the Grand High Witch says was instead of was, crisp instead of crisp, 21 instead of 21. Why do you think these words are spelt in this way? Number 16. What do you think will happen in this story? Do you think the witches can be stopped? Values and ideas working together. Sometimes instructions need to be carried out in groups. Working as a group is very different from working alone. When you work together with other people, you are able to generate more ideas on how to solve a problem. You are also able to have more fun. In this exercise, you will work together in groups to build a paper tower. Remember, to work successfully as a group, you have to share your ideas and make compromises. Everyone has something to contribute. Read through the entire experiment first before doing it. Purpose of experiment. To build the highest tower with given materials in order to support this textbook for the longest time possible. Materials needed: 5 sheets of A4 size paper, paper clips, adhesive tape, scissors, 1 step ahead